like watching everything and like seeing all the different new stuff that I haven't tried out before.
The whole atmosphere, the vendors, everything. We have a lot of fun.
I need to do a big breakfast in about a month, so I need some breakfast ideas.
We made it.
Who wants to win something?
The excitement of discovering how to use it, when to use it, and what it's used for is a big aha moment.
We have the Johnsonville Italian sausage here. Let's hear it for baked cannelloni.
I've got my waffle maker going, but the beauty of this is here. We're gonna go ahead and add some mashed potatoes. Give it up for potato bacon waffles!
It was a great experience. Love food, so it's perfect.
I understand they come back every year, so I'll be back for sure.
Thank you very much. Good night.